साठी काय काय आणतो? हा, घर, बरोबर. हा, आणि गाडी, हा, हा, पुन्हा बंगला. एकदम झोपीतून गेलं. बंगला, मग ते एसी आणतो, हा, फर्निचर, टीव्ही, हे ना. मग आपण आनंदी होतो ते सगळे आणल्यानंतर?
इन्कम टॅक्स
नाही, काय होतं माहिती आहे काय, आपण आनंदी होतो असं नाही. आपण जर समजा एलसीडी आणला आपण खुश असतो, शेजाऱ्याने एलईडी आणला आपण सुखासाठी जगतोय, आनंदासाठी. आपण सगळेजण सुखासाठी जगतोय, आनंदासाठी कोणी जगत. मग आनंद आणि सुखामध्ये काय फरक आहे? सुख हे शरीराला मिळतं, आनंद हा मनाला मिळतो. त्याच्यासाठी काहीच करत नाही. मग प्रॉब्लेम काय होता माहितीये का, आनंद हा एक शब्द असा आहे ज्याला विरुद्धार्थी शब्द नाही. बाकी लहान मोठा, दिवस रात्र, पांढरा काळा, श्रीमंत गरीब, आपण सगळे इथं बसलेले श्रीमंत आहोत ना. जर एखाद्या झोपडपट्टीला राहणाऱ्या माणसाबरोबर भेटल्यानंतर काय आपण, तो काय म्हणतो, बाबा तुम्ही मोठे लोक आहे ना, उगा 2 मिनिटं बरं वाटतं, त्याची डिफरंट थिंग आहे ना. पण ज्यावेळेस आपण एखाद्या बिल्डरकडे बघितल्यानंतर वाटतं बापरे आपण किती गरीब आहोत. हे सगळे तुलनात्मक शब्द आहेत. These are all comparative words. But Anand is not comparative because there is God. So whatever we are trying to do, we are creating a stress to run after comfort. And we are not making any efforts for developing Anand in our life. There are no efforts. Then Anand comes from where? Anand only comes from interpersonal relationships. That is the only source of happiness, Anand. Because I am not using the happiness, that confuses. Only Anand comes out of your interpersonal relationship. Now, what is happening to our interpersonal relationship? As we step up, as we climb higher and higher in the ladder, we are severing our relationship with environment. More on the higher side of the ladder, lesser the relationship. And that is the main reason of creating a stress. What is happening? Social structure. I am not blaming her. I am telling you the reality. I am not supporting or not I am criticizing anybody. I am just giving you the reality. What is happening? Under the name of independency, everybody wants to be alone. मला एक माझे जुने मित्र भेटले, मला काय झालंय साहेब, काय नाही म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम झाला. मला काय झालं, अहो म्हणे माझा मुलगा इतका संस्कारित मुलगा आहे आणि कुठल्या घरची मुलगी आणली आम्ही माहिती नाही, आमचं नशीब वाईट होतं, चांगली नोकरी होती, मला वाटलं आता सुखानं जगूया, आणि लग्न झाल्याबरोबर पोरानं वेगळा संसार टाकला. प्रेम कोणाला गेली त्यांनी? सोन्याने. संस्कार काय केले मुलावर? बिकॉज या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे की या चक्रव्यूहामध्ये आपण अटकत चाललेलो आहोत. बिकॉज व्हॉट एव्हर आय डू माय चिल्ड्रन आर अपसेंट. But there are n number of reasons why I am staying alone. That is not the important thing. What is the important thing is the consequences are involved. So, basically, to build interpersonal relationship is very, very important thing which we are forgetting. Okay? So what do we do? What are we doing? First thing, we need to change. This is a dream without direction is illusion. Dream with the direction is illumination. This is dream plus direction, vision plus goal. Vision plus time is a plan, plan plus action is a work, work plus value is a contribution. Contribution acceptance is the reality. This is what dream to reality. This is the journey we have to go. Okay, Krishna is a visionary and Arjuna is a missionary. This is what we have seen. So what we need to do? This is the base I have taken from Stephen Covey's book. We have to change our approach from outside in to inside out. We have to change our approach to outside in to inside out. What is the meaning of this? Otherwise, whenever you discuss about the problem, then we have a ready-made answer. When you say, what is the problem of our country? We say politicians. You ask politician, what is our problem of our country? He say people. If you ask student, what is your problem? Your professor. You ask professor, what is your problem? Ask parent, what is the problem? Children. Ask children, what is the problem? Parent. The problem is there. Problem is there. Everybody is telling problem is there. That is called outside inner. So we have to change that thinking of outside in to inside out. First you see yourself, most inner part of your character, your nature, swabhav, and then you go outside. So, for one example, what is that, Everybody wants a happy life. Those who are already married and those who are going to be married. Yeah. Everybody wants, to have a happy mind. But you won't get, मफत में नहीं मिलता है. क्योंकि संसार मफत में नहीं मिलता. So, what you are required to do is that, if you want to have all these things of this access, you have to do this. And then you will get it. But we expect this and blame other people, but we don't do it. If you want to have a happy marriage, be a kind of a person, should generate positive energy, that sidestep negative energy. Be a loving husband, be a loving wife. If you want to have a more pleasant cooperative teenagers, how many of you are having a teenagers? Please raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. How old is your son? 15. You are midst of the serious problem. Because teenagers. और ये हम सब लोग जब मिलते हैं ना, ये हमारे उम्र के लड़के, ये लोग मिलते हैं, तो हमारा एक कॉमन डिस्कशन रहता है. हमारा डिस्कशन क्या रहता है? आजकल के बच्चे लोग सुनते ही नहीं. This is the common thing, है ना? समझ में नहीं आता, आजकल के बच्चे सुनते नहीं. चलो डायलॉग जरा ध्यान से सुनिए. समझ में नहीं आता, आजकल के बच्चे सुनते नहीं. किसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? हमको. सुनना कौन चाहिए? हमको सुनना चाहिए ना. हमको समझ में नहीं आता है और सुनने के लिए बच्चों को बोलते। Because we want obedient children. If you want obedient children, first you should listen to them. Do we listen to our children? नहीं सुनते। और ये सबसे ज्यादा किसको मालूम है क्या? हमको सुनने नहीं आता है, अपनी बीवी को मालूम। वो पहली बात करते हुए दादी सुनते हो, उसको मालूम रहता है कि सुनता ही नहीं है ना। सगळ्या भाषेमध्ये अमेरिकेत विचारलं लिसन, मराठीमध्ये ऐकलं का, देन डायलॉग सुरू होतो. Because we don't listen. But we expect our children to listen to us. Do we listen to our children? Huh? Yes? सुनते तो नहीं है, लेकिन अपनी वो थियरी बताते हैं. एक दिन हमारा लड़का आ गया जो से, पापा क्या है, 300 रुपए दे दो. 300 इसलिए पिक्चर में जाना. मैं जब पिक्चर को जाता था, 1 मिनट रुको, रात को 10 बजे से लेकर 10:30 बजे तक आपको टाइम देता हूँ, आपकी स्टोरी बताने का. बोला ऐसा क्यों बोला रात को आने के बाद में? बोले आप सुनते नहीं है. नहीं बोले जब मैं पिक्चर को जाता था 10 रुपए में 2 टिकट आते थे, सर्कल सिनेमा में बालकनी में जाते थे, वहाँ वड़ा पाव खाते थे और ऊपर से कोक पीने के बाद में 4 आने बच जाते थे. तो बोला अभी भी पियो ना, मेरे को क्या लेना, ये 300 क्यों चाहिए मैं बता. मल्टीप्लेक्स में हम दोनों दोस्त गए, 100 रुपए का टिकट, वहां पर कोल्ड ड्रिंक और ये लिया हमने. वो 100 रुपए लग गए, 300 हो गए. रिक्शा का जाने आने का भाड़ा मेरे जेब से डाल दिया. What we are trying to do, we don't listen to our children. On top of it, we tell our own stories about all past memories. We try to tell our children, and then we expect our children to become obedient children. This is not possible. Why there is a stress is created between husband and wife? Why there is a stress created by senior people like you with your children? The reason is that basically we are not listening at all. And on top of it, we want our people to listen. That is one thing. And when you can have obedient children, loving wife, when you become a loving husband, when you become a empathetic listener to your children, then your children will become obedient. Another thing, that if you want to have more freedom in your job, to get some more freedom in your job. It is not because, by seeing your qualification or by seeing your face, the person who takes the more responsibility, he gets the more freedom. But everybody wants the freedom in the job. If you want to be trusted, that everybody thinks that, that people should trust me, then you become a trustworthy. Then only people will trust you. So, basically to avoid stress, we need to change our approach from outside in to inside out. I hope I am making clear? Huh? Okay. After this, then how do we become a more, inside out approachable person? That concept Stephen Covey tells, to become a proactive person. What we need to become is, we have to become a proactive person. Okay, I am not going more into detail the definition of the proactive or this one. What is the meaning of the proactiveness? The proactive person, the two qualities are there. One quality is, he takes the responsibility of his life. He takes the responsibility of his life. And second thing is, for achieving his goal,